Hey, what's up YouTube? We wanted to share with you guys how we fixed codes P0700 and P0758. So we drove this Jeep for a bit and it was having shifting issues. If you would come to a complete stop and get on the gas to go, it would take forever to get to a shifting point, and it wasn't slipping, it just didn't feel like the power was there for some reason. Even if you got on the gas all the way, it would struggle to get up to speed. And if you would put it in first, it would take off completely normal, like you would be able to shift to second and the power was there. So we went online, we did some research, and some people posted about disconnecting these two plugs, cleaning them up, and then reconnecting them. When we parked the Jeep and we did that, once we plugged them back up, the Jeep wouldn't turn on, like it wouldn't crank, it wouldn't do none of that. So we did notice as soon as they brought the Jeep over here that these wires were not in the best shape. Well, actually the terminals weren't in their best condition. So once we had the no crank symptom, we went underneath with the ignition open, and we gave the starter power directly, and the Jeep turned on without an issue. So then we went to AutoZone. We picked up these cheap battery terminals just to test them out. I know this isn't the best, but this is just temporary, just to figure out the issue. And as soon as we put everything back on, the Jeep started without no problems at all. Check engine light went away, the codes went away. We test drove this for about, I want to say 80 to 90 miles. No issues at all. The transmission is shifting normal. No check engine light, no problem starting. So the issue was the battery terminals, but it's worth it to give it a try. If you guys have bad battery terminals, switch them out. Make sure you get some that you could actually slip your wires in completely. We are thinking of doing some copper lugs with some different type of terminals, but we would have to switch the battery over to the right battery. This isn't the battery that this Jeep should have. The terminal should be on this side, so that's why this ground looks kind of weird, stretched all the way over here. But that's it. We just wanted to tell you guys the situation with this XJ. Maybe it'll help some of you guys out there. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.